Imagine this. It's the peak of summer, the sun is blazing, and you're retreating into the sanctuary of your air-conditioned home. But then, something odd happens. Your trusty air conditioner starts up, chugs along for a short while, and then abruptly stops. Welcome to the perplexing world of the start-stop air conditioner. In today's deep dive, we'll uncover the whys and wherefores of this cooling conundrum. But first, let's understand what is short cycling. Short cycling, a term that's as technical as it is intriguing, refers to an air conditioner that turns on and off more frequently than normal. This isn't just a trivial glitch. It's a symptom of underlying issues that can have far-reaching consequences for your AC's performance and lifespan. Let's start unraveling this mystery. So, let us uncover why your air conditioner quits after just getting started. Number 1. Oversized air conditioner units. First on our list of usual suspects is the oversized air conditioner. Size matters, and in the case of your AC unit, bigger isn't always better. An oversized unit can cool your room rapidly, but in doing so, it doesn't run long enough to dehumidify the air, which can leave your space feeling muggy. It also means the unit is frequently turning on and off, which is highly inefficient and can lead to wear and tear over time. So how can we get rid of the problem? Proper sizing is crucial. It's a delicate balance, and getting it right means consulting with HVAC experts who can recommend the ideal unit size for your specific space. Number 2. Clogged air filters. Next up, we have the unassuming air filter. It's easy to overlook, but a clogged filter is a major protagonist in the short cycling saga. When the filter is clogged, airflow is restricted, leading to a host of problems, including overheating, which can trigger the system to shut off prematurely. So, how do we prevent this? Changing your air filter regularly is a simple yet effective way to prevent this. A clean filter ensures optimal airflow, keeping your system running smoothly and efficiently. Number 3. Refrigerant issues. Refrigerant issues are the third piece of this puzzle. Your AC needs the right amount of refrigerant to cool the air effectively. Too little refrigerant, often due to leaks, can reduce the efficiency of your air conditioner and cause short cycling. The symptoms of a refrigerant leak can be subtle, like a gradual loss in cooling power or the presence of ice on refrigerant lines. What to do in this situation? Addressing refrigerant issues is not a DIY job. It requires a certified professional who can diagnose and repair leaks and ensure your system is charged with the correct amount of refrigerant. Number 4. Thermostat Troubles. Don't underestimate the power of the thermostat. Its location and functionality can be pivotal in the performance of your AC. If it's in a spot where it gets direct sunlight, or if it's too close to other heat sources, it may misread the actual room temperature, causing your AC to start and stop erratically. Hear this pro-tip solution. Ensure your thermostat is properly positioned away from direct sunlight and heat sources. It should be centrally located to accurately gauge the average temperature of your home. Number 5. Electrical issues. Electrical issues can be the hidden gremlins in your air conditioning system. Loose connections, a faulty capacitor, or a malfunctioning control board can disrupt the electrical flow, causing your unit to short cycle. These are not always easy to spot, but signs like a tripping circuit breaker or a stuttering start can be telltale indicators. So, how to identify signs of electrical problems? While some basic troubleshooting can be done by homeowners, most electrical repairs should be left to the professionals for safety and accuracy. Number 6. Frozen evaporator coils. When your evaporator coils freeze, it's like your AC has caught a cold. The ice buildup can restrict airflow and cause the unit to shut down. This can happen for several reasons, including low refrigerant levels, poor circulation, or continuous operation without proper maintenance. So, let's point out the prevention of this problem. Prevent ice buildup by ensuring good airflow, regular maintenance, and addressing any refrigerant issues promptly. Number 7. Malfunctioning condenser coils. Condenser coils play a key role in expelling heat from your home. When they're dirty or obstructed, your system has to work harder to cool your space, which can lead to overheating and, you guessed it, short cycling. Here our one maintenance tutorial for this. Keep your condenser coils clean and clear of debris to ensure they can do their job effectively. Regular cleaning and maintenance can make all the difference. Last but not the least problem, pressure imbalances. Pressure imbalances in your home can also lead to short cycling. If the pressure is too high inside your home, it can push the cool air out, causing your system to turn off too soon. Conversely, too low pressure can draw hot air in, making your AC work overtime. What's the expert advice for this? Balancing the pressure involves proper ventilation and sometimes adding or adjusting exhaust fans. It's a nuanced issue, but addressing it can stabilize your AC's operation. Air conditioners quitting shortly after starting can be a symptom of underlying issues, and prevention can be better than getting into trouble first. So, let's find out some prevention tips for air conditioner short cycling. Regular maintenance checks. Schedule annual maintenance with a certified HVAC technician. Regularly replace or clean air filters to ensure proper airflow. Correct sizing. Ensure your AC unit is the correct size for your space. An oversized unit can lead to short cycling. Thermostat placement. Position the thermostat away from direct sunlight, drafts, and heat sources to prevent false temperature readings. Inspect refrigerant levels. Low refrigerant levels can cause the system to shut down. Have a professional check and refill if necessary. Check electrical connections. Loose electrical connections can disrupt the power flow to your AC unit. Ensure all connections are secure. Inspect the evaporator, condenser coils, and air ducts. Dirty coils can impede efficiency and cause the system to overheat and shut off. Clean the coils periodically. Leaky or blocked ducts can cause pressure imbalances leading to short cycling. Seal any leaks and remove blockages. Ventilation and insulation. Proper insulation and ventilation in your home can reduce the workload on your AC unit. By being vigilant and proactive about maintenance, you can prevent short cycling and ensure your air conditioner serves you well through the scorching summers. If you suspect your AC is short cycling, don't wait. Consult with a professional to diagnose and fix the issue before it escalates. Thanks for joining us on this deep dive into the world of air conditioning. Don't forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe for more insightful content on keeping your home comfortable and efficient. Until next time, stay cool and stay informed.